We're making French bread pizzas. So we're gonna make two varieties. One is meaty and one is like garden fresh. So Alex, for the garden fresh version, ricotta, lemon zest, and pesto. I'll let you mix that together.
Okay.
And to brush on both halves of French bread, I'm gonna make a buttery, garlicky mixture. So it's just garlic, Italian seasoning, and butter. And I'm just stirring it with the brush.
I love
so
that.
I don't have to dirty up too much stuff.
So is this like the pizza sauce that I'm making?
That is like the cheese for the garden version. So while you mix that together, I'm going to brush this garlic herb mixture. Actually, I'm not gonna brush. I'm just gonna pour onto the French bread. So when I said we're making French bread pizza, I meant it literally. I started with a loaf of French bread, split it in half, and then adding this little layer of garlic herb butter just makes the baked pizza so amazing. Alex is gonna do like a traditional meaty kind of supreme pizza version. So it's marinara, cheese, pepperoni, sausage, green bell peppers, jalapenos, and olives. So build away.
Okay. I feel like this is the one Mauricio would like.
I think Mauricio's gonna love that.
Around.
And then for my garden fresh French bread pizza, I am spreading this ricotta pesto mixture that Alex threw together. And oh my, it is gonna be so good. So on top of the ricotta, I am going to add sliced zucchini because it's garden fresh. And I just sliced them into little coins.
Do you think that's enough?
Yes, I do. I think it's the perfect amount.
Cheese, my favorite part.
And then on top of the zucchini, I am going to add some asparagus pieces and some sliced bell pepper. Alex, are you having fun yet?
A blast.
But I like this because you can actually, split the halves in half and wind up with 4 pieces of French bread, and you can make 4 varieties. You can sort of have a build your own scenario someday when you have children. You can lay out all the different ingredients and let everybody just build their own sausage. Lots and lots of possibilities, oops. And then goat cheese. So I added zucchini, asparagus, corn, strips of roasted red pepper, and now I'm adding big gobs of goat cheese, and I love goat cheese so much. I'd love to get in there and just eat it.
Just a couple olives.
Go ahead, go heavy with the olives. I love olives.
Okay, fine.
All right, so let's put them in the oven.
Okay.
So we're gonna bake these. Come on, Alex, we'll do it together. All right, we're gonna bake these at 425 for 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bread is crisp.
Wow, these look good.
They look amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm gonna right all the wrongs.
The bread is so crispy.
Whew, I'm gonna put your garden fresh variety in front of you, and I'll put the meaty one in front of me. Look how pretty.
The bread got so crisp.
They look fantastic. They're almost too pretty to eat though. So to garnish, I'll trade you. You can garnish yours with some torn basil. And I've got some Parmesan for my version. Okay, so to serve.
Ooh, that crunch.
I know, look. Here you go, Alex.
Yum. I think we have to sample.
I think we have to. It's the responsible thing to do.
Wait, we should hook arms.
Wow, that was graceful.
The ricotta is so good.
Love these.
So good.